If you're seeing a Trello automation internal error, don't panic. In most cases, this problem is temporary or caused by a small issue inside your rule setup, and you can fix it in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you step by step through exactly what this error means, why it happens, and how to fix it quickly so your automations start running again without breaking your workflow. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple Trello and productivity tutorials. First, let's understand what this error actually means. A Trello automation internal error appears when Trello's automation engine, also known as Butler, tries to run a rule and fails. That failure can happen because Trello's servers are having issues or because something inside your automation rule is no longer valid. Step 1 is to check whether the issue is on Trello's side. Open your browser and go to trello.status.atlassian.com. This is Trello's official status page. Look for anything related to automation or Butler. If you see degraded performance or a partial outage, that means the problem isn't your board. In that case, don't delete your rules and don't start rebuilding everything. Just wait about 15 to 60 minutes and check again later. Most service disruptions are resolved quickly. If the status page shows that everything is operational, move to step 2, test your rule manually. Go to the board where the automation is failing. Click on Automation at the top, then open the rule that's causing the issue. Look at the trigger. For example, if your rule says, when a card is moved to Done, try moving a test card into the Done list yourself. See if the automation runs or if the error appears again. This helps confirm that the issue is specific to that rule. Now let's go over the most common causes. The first and most common cause is that your rule references something that no longer exists. Maybe you renamed the done list to completed. Maybe you deleted a label. Maybe you removed or modified a custom field. Even small changes, like adjusting a list name, can silently break an automation. Open the rule editor and carefully reselect each list, label, member, or custom field instead of assuming it's still properly connected. Resaving the rule after reselecting these items often fixes the error instantly. The second common reason is that you've hit your automation usage limit. Trello free workspaces have monthly command limits. If you exceed that limit, automations can fail or start running properly. To check this, go to Automation and then click on Usage. You'll see how many commands you've used this month. If you're over the limit, you'll need to wait for the monthly reset or reduce the number of automation actions you're running. The third issue is rule complexity. If one trigger runs too many actions, like moving a card, adding multiple labels, assigning members, setting due dates, posting comments, and updating custom fields all at once, the automation can fail. Instead of one large rule, split it into 2 or 3 smaller rules. This reduces the load and makes troubleshooting easier. If you've checked all of that and the error still appears, the simplest fix is to delete the rule and recreate it from scratch. Sometimes rules become corrupted behind the scenes, and rebuilding them clears the internal error completely. So to quickly recap, check Trello's status page, manually test the rule, verify that all referenced lists and labels still exist, check your automation usage limits, simplify complex rules, and if needed, recreate the rule entirely. Follow these steps, and your Trello automation should be back up and running smoothly. If this tutorial helped you fix the Trello automation internal error, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more clear and practical Trello guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.